Hello, hello, and welcome. Welcome to the wonderful world of photography. David Bradley here. These pictures were all taken 1 year, I don't know, 15, 16 years ago maybe, at the Unionville Festival. And I did put them in to a program to make a kind of a collage thing where it did make sort of one picture as the focal one, which of course you can tell is the young lady in the middle. She's probably looking back, she's either finished high school or almost finished high school now. I also like this dog was in a fire engine and it was looking at me. Anyway, there are many, many, many things there. There's many, many people, politicians, musicians. Oh, there's that dog again. No, you can't really see it, but there's that dog again. And for those that don't know, the Unionville Festival is, it's a fun day. It's like a lot of things, but it's just, no, it's all right. It goes for 2 days. The main day is the Saturday, and I guess it happens in June. They close down the street. They have had a parade, but I don't know if they do the parade anymore. I just don't know. So there's vendors and things and stuff. And it's great to get out and see the neighbors. And in my case, it's great. I haven't shot pictures there for a long time, but it's also great to see, as I always call them, the Unionville dogs, which are basically golden retrievers. And now more and more, it's like, what would I say? Oh, golden doodles and other things. But there are an awful lot of golden retrievers around. Anyway, a fun day and a great time to shoot and capture the moments. And who knows, someday maybe someone will see this and say, hey, that's my dog. Or, like, where am I here? Oh, this fellow. He's singing. They did there was always stuff here. And, here's a couple of politicians. And this lady, no clue who she is. Anyway, no one ever seemed to take notice. Everyone was out shooting, although this was maybe a little bit before everybody had a phone out and everybody was shooting everything. But anyway, as always, it was a great day. And maybe this year I'll go back and maybe I'll shoot some more. Maybe not. We'll see. But anyway, continue to train your eye and have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.